Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog crate fans that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Lucky Duck Dog Kennel Fan. This heavy-duty fan by Lucky Duck is ideal for pet parents seeking the strongest wind action. The dual fan design offers maximum airflow, keeping your hot dog cool and comfortable. It includes a rechargeable, long-lasting 12 volts lithium-ion battery and a charging port in the front. The battery compartment is also water-resistant, protecting it against accidents, spills, and inclement weather. On the low setting, it should run for 8 hours. On high speed, it should last up to 6 hours. Ideal for days when your dog spends longer in the crate or car. While this fan attaches to most wire kennels, reviewers say the bracing bars are oversized and can wobble on standard crates. It's also not the most affordable dog crate fan, but plenty of pleased buyers think the powerful airflow and long-lasting battery life are worth the extra money. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Cool Pup Hanging Dog Crate Fan. For pups on the go, the Cool Pup Crate Fan makes car travel in the crate more comfortable. It has all the features you'd want in a travel-friendly fan. It's compact, battery-operated, attaches to most metal crates, and has a quiet motor that runs on 2 operating speeds. A built-in thermometer helps you regulate the temperature so your dog doesn't get too cool. Pet parents point out, however, that this fan eats through batteries quickly. 4 Cs are required, which can get expensive if you plan to use it often. But the 6-volt AC adapter can help ease that strain by letting you plug the fan into an outlet. At number 3, we have the AntPay Solar Panel Dual Fan Kit. Have a pup who loves to spend time outside, even during the warmer months? This solar-powered dual fan is specifically designed to cool down outside spaces, from kennels and doghouses to chicken coops and sheds. The coated motor prevents damage from rain, and a double metal protection net prevents dogs from injuring themselves with the blades. One thing to keep in mind is that there's no built-in battery. Instead, this fan relies entirely on sunlight, which means it works great when the sun is shining. But it won't be as powerful in weak sunlight or may even stop working altogether. At number 2, we have the Ryobi 18-volt hybrid fan. With a width of nearly 20 inches, this large dog kennel fan is ideal for bigger breeds. It's also equipped with a back bracket, handing hooks, screw mounting holes, and a pivoting head to hang and adjust it to your pup's liking. And, with the push of a button, you can select either a low or high cooling experience. It is a pricier option on our list, especially since the extension cord, 18-volt battery, and charger come separately. But reviewers like the flexibility of the hybrid design, which delivers cool air to your dog via a battery or a power cord. Ideal for areas prone to power outages or pets on the go. And finally, at number 1, we have the Mikakin Portable Clip-On Fan. This fan isn't technically designed for dog crate use, but we still think it deserves a spot on this list. With its flexible 13-inch neck, rotating design, and strong clamp, you can position this fan virtually anywhere, including your dog's crate or in the back of the car. The built-in rechargeable battery also adds a unique feature as a portable power bank, letting you charge your phone on the go. Great for camping. A dense net cover keeps paws away from the blades. And unlike other cooling crate fans with only 2 speeds, this fan offers 3 speed settings at a low decibel. Reviewers note that the battery life only lasts a couple of hours, but they don't mind this setback too much since the fan has such an affordable price point. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon